Boom! At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy.
Now, what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up half.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning, I wanna turn on this. Becky quick. While the average man looking at it's sad like she fine as yeah. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like yeah, 5-6. I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stock pick. I know that booty got dry, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot keys. Strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater. Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounces. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thought, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, making profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, she pull the trigger and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. and I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them games, make profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profits. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing, dog? Hey, make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profits. That TTG money gang, making profits. We some snipers.
Hey, you. What's up, everybody? What's going on, guys? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. I've got a very important live stream in store for you guys here today. Very important live stream. The cold hard truth. I want to have a very open and transparent conversation with you. Sure, yes, we had another monster trade today. Triple digit gain in ticker symbol SI. Right off the pre-market game plan, right off the watch list. If you guys caught our live stream yesterday, we had more triple digit gains. It's kind of like the theme of 2023 so far. We've had like over 10 triple digit gain trades already. It's just been an unbelievable start to the year. And sure, I'll talk about that. I'll talk about SI. We'll talk about the huge move in Bitcoin, Coinbase, SI, massive movers, triple digit gain for members. Members, congratulations, those of you that hit it, but that's not the focal point of what I want to talk about here today on this live stream. So I'm going to get right to it. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, but now the current head trader and co-founder of True Trading Group. And we're the fastest growing and highest rated premium online platform that's available for the retail trader today. So if you're ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you guys have come to the right place. I do these live streams 6 days a week. Sunday through Friday, I go live right here. Myself, other TTG Pro trading mods, and special guests. We drop golden nuggets, give you free lessons, education, trade ideas, and market commentary that can help you become better traders and investors immediately, honestly, with the amount of lessons that we have on here. So take a moment, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. Make sure you guys never miss out on any of the lessons that we cover on these lives. But why should you listen to anything that we discuss on these lives? I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I began my career working at a fund in New York City. It's my first job out of college. That's where I learned how to trade. They made me go through a 3-month educational training program where professional traders from the fund and analysts taught us, my class of new hires, taught us how to trade properly, taught us the way of the markets. Then 2008 happened. And that was the Great Recession, the stock market crash. But also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now, fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader of TTG. Fastest growing and highest rated platform. That's because we combine university level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools. We do live workshops and provide mentorship for stocks, options, crypto, futures for all styles of trading. Day trading, swing trading. Even if you're just looking for long-term investing, we cover it all, right? You see, we take that university level curriculum, similar to the stuff I learned that I worked at the fund in New York, and we pair it with today's top financial tools. These tools are well worth over $5,000, $6,000 a year on their own, easy, if you were to go pay for them by yourselves. We've spent years building relationships with these companies so we can put their products and tools on our platform at no additional cost. Right? Benzinga, Quote Media, TradingView, Trade Ideas, ETNA, all these companies we've built relationships with. We can take their product, put it on our platform, and you guys do not need to pay anything extra for it. It's all included when you join the TTG platform. That saves you at least $5,000, $6,000 a year right there. But these are tools that are necessary. Tools that successful traders use, gives them more information, allows them to make better decisions, increases their chances of success. Successful traders don't get their trade ideas from Reddit. They don't get their trade ideas from Twitter. They don't hang out in Discords. Right? These are the things they're using to help them make better decisions. You should be using them too. We give you access to them. We also show you and teach you how to use them. You also get access to the TTG members, the family, we like to call it. Thousands of traders from all over the world, the most educated, helpful, supportive, and successful group of traders and investors you're ever going to find. And then, of course, you get all the real-time trade alerts from myself and the other moderators of TTG that I've been able to maintain a cumulative win rate amongst us as a group of just around 80% now going on the last 3 years. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, turn on your notifications, make sure you never miss out on any of the live streams here that we do. Now, look, cold hard truth, very open, honest, transparent conversation here today. If any of you have watched this channel before, if any of you have heard a word that I have ever said, if you have an ounce of respect for the work that we do, I need you to listen to me because there's some things that I have to get off my chest today. And I know that we have a lot of members that are on this live stream, and hopefully whether you're new and you're on here, or if you're new and you're watching this later, I hope you guys stick around long enough to pay attention as well. I want you to also know that I'm going to say what I need to say. Then I'm going to get into the trade of the day, right? Another triple digit gain in Silvergate, ticker symbol SI. I'll get into the breakdown, and I'll go over that. I'll break down the whole setup. I'll break down the trading lessons and everything from it so you guys can learn from it. I maybe identify those type of trades for you guys tomorrow or in the future. And I'll also give you my outlook for the rest of the week. What economic data came out today? What does it mean? What economic data comes out the rest of the week? And what my game plan and my views on this crazy market that we find ourselves in, what my views are on it going forward. I'll give you guys all of that. Okay. But I'm asking you first to listen to what I have to say. You know, if you're paying attention, right, some people are going to relate to it. Some people are not going to like it. This may piss some people off. Some people may think I'm talking about them specifically. Trust me, I am not. I'm not talking about any one particular person. What I have to say is not targeted at any one person or group of people. What I have to say is all encompassing. These are things that I have noticed and things that have really bothered me. And I'm going to talk about it. I do these live streams every single day, except Saturday. It's the only day I don't do a live stream. Saturday, my one day to not do a stream, right? There's a team of people that are also behind the scenes that make these streams work. It's not just me. I mean, you see me on here. There's a team of people behind the scenes that make these streams work. We all sacrifice time with our families, our friends to come on here. Yes, we sell memberships on these live streams, and so our business and our company makes money. And that's great because TTG is a business. It is a business that has a very specific goal. That goal is to help empower the retail trader and investor, period. The reason that goal is so important to us is because we have based the entire success of our company, which has 30 employees, around the success of our members. Instead of doing what 90% of other similar, although there is no similar in terms of value, but what other similar companies to True Trading Group do, which is they lure people in with some kind of cheap offer, $97 a month, $50 a month, and then consistently bang you over the head for a lot of money for all of these different a la carte things. Oh, you want that course, or you want that workshop, or you want that simulator, or you want that scanner, or you want that tool, or you want that mentor call. Oh, you want all those things. That's 500, that's 800, that's 1,000, that's 1,000, that's 1,000, that's 500, that's 300, that's 250, that's 400. And before you know it, you spent $7,000, $10,000. 9 times out of 10, those people end up canceling, quitting, losing money, not learning a damn thing. If you spend enough marketing money, if you put the right pictures of Lamborghinis and private jets together, if you sell people on the dream and spend enough money behind it, you'll churn these people out all day long. Because people, unfortunately, buy into things that they want to believe. And if the price is right and the dream has appeared to be within reach, you're going to do it. 9 times out of 10. All you've accomplished is feeding somebody's marketing funnel. That's all you have done. Congratulations, you've just become another statistic. TTG was founded upon the idea that if our members do well, actually make money, then we as a company will do well. But if our members don't do well, then we as a company don't deserve to do well. I come on these live streams, I talk a big game. I know it. I know I do. I honestly, I know that I do. But guess what? I back it up. And I can back it up because the majority of members that are in True Trading Group, they are making money and they are becoming better traders. And I don't want you to take my word for it. You shouldn't take my word for it. You know, these YouTube live streams, if you've been on these streams before, you've seen me ask this question before. And I ask it so that you can see it yourself. You shouldn't believe these statements when I say them. So just watch. Members of True Trading Group, type the $ in chat right now if you're making money and you're becoming a better trader. Just go ahead and type the $ right now. If you are a member and you're making money, become better traders. Now, even if you have seen this 100 times before, maybe try to actually pay attention this time to how many people are typing the $. These are real people, guys. These are not bots. These are people just like you. They found True Trading Group the exact same way you did one of these live streams. And it's because of all of these people that TTG has been successful and will continue to be successful because we leave no trader behind. Guess what? Newsflash. Obviously, not every single member of True Trading Group is killing it, making money all the time, and everything is great all the time for everyone. That's not realistic. That's not real life. But for those that are still struggling, we leave no trader behind in TTG. We reach out to them. We hold workshops for them. We remain accessible to them at no additional fee because we know that the better that they do, the better we do as a company. Plain and simple. We don't charge you $97 or $50 to just get you in the door. We charge you one price for the entire year, upfront, access to the core of everything that we have with no upsells for any of those things. Because we believe that you don't want to pay a small entry price and then be coerced into spending another 200, another 500, another 1,000. Before you know it, you spent $7,000, $10,000. We want to make sure you have everything that you need to be successful, not give you, the first 3 chapters of a 35 chapter book and then expect you to pass a test on the entire book. That's not what we're trying to do here. I'm reiterating this part because it bothers me. It bothers me with what I am seeing. Listen, the retail trader has come flying back into the stock market in a huge way. You just hit a record high of retail order flow as a percentage of volume on the overall markets, higher than the meme stock craze. And what should be a second or third chance for a lot of people, it's turning into the final nail in the coffin. I don't want to give you the impression that I'm some trading messiah or I'm some do-gooder saint. I'm not. I'm not perfect. I'm not a saint. Like I said, this is a business. True Trading Group is a business. If these people do well, then we do well as a company. So if these people get smoked again, the people got smoked in 2022, never sold AMC, never sold GameStop, never sold Bed Bath & Beyond, never sold CEI, never sold Mullen or Wish. If these people get smoked again, that has a negative impact on our business. Because for every person that blows up their account or listens to some fake BS guru on social media or buys into the hype of some secret strategy that I know and no one else knows in the whole world, that's one less person that's going to participate in this market long term. That's one less person that's going to get the experience to experience any sort of real financial freedom that the market could provide. That's one more person that's going to be angry, who will be jaded, and unfortunately, they're going to have every reason to be. We have had a massive influx of trial members come through True Trading Group in the last month. Close to 1,000 trial members have come through TTG in the last month. And a lot of the time, our team and I reach out to these people. We talk to them. We try to understand, where they're coming from, what it is they're looking to learn, how have they engaged in the markets thus far. We try to get an understanding of these people because we want to make sure that they are a good fit for True Trading Group. And by a good fit, this is what I mean. Nothing to do with your experience level, your account size, none of that. I want to make sure that when somebody joins TTG, you're not just looking for a good stock tip, right? Of course, everybody wants winning stock alerts, right? Of course. You get all of our trade alerts in real time. The moderators even tell you what we're going to buy before we actually even buy it. Okay, so you guys can get all of the trade alerts that we've been able to maintain a cumulative win rate amongst myself and all the moderators that send out alerts. We've been able to maintain a win rate of just around 80% now going in the last 3 years. But that's not all that we do here at TTG. I don't want that to be the end of what you are looking for. We want to educate people that are busy with their full-time jobs, show them how they can do this, how they can take advantage of the markets, even though they're not in front of their computer during the day. People with small accounts that feel like, oh, I can't buy shares of that $100 stock. So how am I supposed to be able to make money from it? You can. You just have to learn how, and you have to learn how to trade options. We're going to teach you how to do that. We want to show people how to do that. We built this entire platform around you, not me. We built this entire platform around you. And we want people that are willing to come in here, utilize what is being offered, because them being successful, not just on one trade, not just on 1 week or one good month, but long-term success, real wealth building, learning a skill that they could eventually teach to their children. No matter if there's a recession, if there's inflation, if there's a war, as long as the stock market is open, these people can have a way to earn a living. That is what this is about. It's not about Lamborghinis and mansions and private jets and all these other stupid things. That is what we are trying to do at True Trading Group. And every new member that signs up, every new person that shows interest, that is the cause. That is the company mission. And the people, that's the company and the people's mission that you are getting behind. We had a lot of trials sign up, guys. Like I said, about 1,000 trials over the last month. And unfortunately, the vast majority of these trials, this is their second or third chance. And so many of them feared that they missed the bottom of the market. They panicked out in September and October. They feel like they've missed it. They're coming flying back in. So many of them piled back in because they didn't want to feel left behind again. They feel like, oh, I learned my lesson from the meme stock craze. They feel like they learned something. But guess what? If nothing changes, then nothing changes. People talk about, oh, I want to get my portfolio right. Then I'm going to learn. I want to make some money first, get on my feet, and then I'm going to learn. I want to do this first, and then I'm going to learn. That's not how it works. Our slogan in True Trading Group is literally learn, trade, profit. In that order, on purpose, not by accident, not because it's some catchy, stupid slogan. No, it's because that is the literal order that you should be doing things. So many of these people have lost thousands and thousands of dollars on their own. Some people just can't get out of their own way, and it's unfortunate. These are the same people that are unfortunately going to experience that nail in the coffin this time around, because no one has an infinite amount of money, and people can only lose so much before they decide to quit. And that's disheartening when your entire professional mission is to help people achieve the exact opposite of that. And maybe this wouldn't bother me so much if I didn't actually interact with a lot of these people. For those of you that know me and you know True Trading Group, and you know my partner Adam, you know that that's not how we are. Like, we reach out to virtually everyone. And because of that fact, because you're not just a number, we have been deeply bothered by what's happening. Like, this should be people's second chance or third chance after all the mistakes that they made from 21 to 22. But it could be that it's going to end up being the nail in the coffin. You see, everybody in here wants to make money, right? Like, everyone wants financial independence. Everybody wants to fire their boss. Like, watch. Okay, here, guys, if you want to make millions of dollars trading, you can quit your job, tell everybody to go screw, type the number 1 in chat right now. If that's a goal, right? Like, I want to make enough money, I can quit my job, I can tell everybody to go screw, type the number 1. Type the number 1 in chat. Type the number 1 in chat if that's you, if that's a goal, right? You want to make enough money, quit your job, tell everybody else to go screw. Look at all these number 1s, right? Of course, right? Look at all these number 1s. Everybody says they want that. Now ask yourself, what are you prepared to do to get it? Are you waiting for the right time? Well, let me spoil that for you. There is no such thing as the right time. It's always the right time. The right time is always now. You want to wait until the market bottoms? Good luck. You must be one hell of a trader, because the last I checked in my near 2 decades of doing this, trying to pick the exact bottom of a market crash is a fool's game. You ask any professional, on Wall Street, anyone making millions of dollars a year that manages billions of dollars a year, you ask any one of them if they try to pick the exact bottom, they're going to tell you nope, and you're stupid if you try. But yet, people armed up with that Robinhood account and a Reddit account and some free Discord think that they can do it, when the best minds at Goldman Sachs can't. You know, you want to wait until you have more time? Cool. Think about every other project that you've put off because you needed more time and how long that has prolonged your project. Just think about maybe around the house. Think about some project you want to do around the house, how long that project has been delayed because you want to wait until you have enough time. Just think about how far off you are putting your goals. And while you're doing that, time is passing you right by. Your life continues to go on. You get older, your spouse gets older, your kids get older. Everyone wants to be the next stock market millionaire. Everybody wants to tell their boss to go screw. Everybody wants success, but unfortunately, very few people are willing to do what is necessary to get there and to achieve that success. Very few people are willing to put in the time, the effort. Very few people are willing to take the leap. Everybody wants a shortcut. Everybody wants it done for them. And that is why so many of the people coming back into the market this time around will fail. It's not because they couldn't find the time. It's not because they couldn't find, the money to spend on their education. It's not because they weren't smart enough. It's because they were unwilling to do the things that they needed to do. And that is a shame. It really is. You might have the skill to be a millionaire trader, but you never even gave it enough effort to try or to find out. You half-assed it. You tell me one other profession you can half-ass and get to the pros. You think you can half-ass it as a baseball player and make it to the big leagues? You can half-ass it at the combine and get drafted into the NFL? You can half-ass it through medical school? You think you can half-ass it, through law school and then go get hired at some big firm on Wall Street representing some of the biggest corporations charging $1,000 an hour? You think you can do that if you half-ass it? You think you can half-ass this, your education, your trading in order to become a millionaire trader? Dreaming. It's no different than anything else. The stock market's not a path to overnight riches. No matter what you want to believe, there's no get-rich-quick scheme here. But it's also not a scam. And if you wanted to be the next stock market millionaire, there is no reason on this planet on why you could not. This is the great equalizer. Stock market doesn't care where you came from. Doesn't care what your beliefs are. Doesn't care. And while, listen, I want all of you to join True Trading Group, right? Obviously. What I will tell you is whether you join or not, just relying on free videos from YouTube or Google or Reddit or Twitter, it's not enough. You will fail consistently and painfully, and eventually you will quit. Now, I'll wrap this up before I get into everything else I want to get into here on this live stream with SI and the data that came out today. Retail sales were extremely strong. Bitcoin went absolutely bonkers today. So we got to talk about all of those things and what this all means now going forward. But before I get into everything that I want to get into, I learned something else during this trading week. I learned that for better or for worse, people value what they are most invested in. It's human nature. People value what they are most invested into. If you put a Ferrari in someone's driveway and you put a 1996 beaten up Toyota Corolla, the engine runs just fine, but the body is all beaten up. It's all rusted. Both of those vehicles can take you to the grocery store and back. No problem. But I bet I know which one you are going to detail and you are going to wipe off the one dead fly at the second that you get back home into your driveway. Before you even take the groceries back inside the house, I bet you I know which one you are going to buff and you are going to wipe down and you are going to detail. And it ain't the Toyota Corolla. The amount people invest in something separates those who are serious from those who will ultimately make an excuse, or for those that will play the victim, for those that just won't make it. Because of this, my partner and I and the team at True Trading Group have decided that we are going to strategically and daily raise the price of a True Trading membership until we get back up to over $2,000. Because the more that people invest into something, the more serious they take it. We were going to do this a lot differently, right? With all the trial members, but this is actually a lot easier for us because the amount of trial members that we were having sign up, 1,000 people in a month, is just nuts. This is easier. People that invest in themselves take it more seriously. That way, we don't have to do interviews with the trial members. Right? If you guys have been following our live streams for a while, like the process that we were doing with our trial members of seeing if we would invite them to become a member. This is much less work for us and our team. We don't have to be interviewing all of these trial members every single month. So instead, every single day, a TTG membership will be going up by a couple of bucks each and every single day until we get back over to $2,000 price point, at which time there it will stay. Yes, we'll have sales in the future, but those sales will maybe drop down to like $1,700. That won't be what we're going to offer here now. So every day the price of membership is going to go up. And that's just it. We don't have any more laptops. We have completely sold out. We have been not able to get our hands on any more laptops. Adam tried. He tried yesterday. He tried today. Could not do it. We have no more laptops. And since we have no more laptops, we can actually start offering the membership here tonight with no laptop at a simply $900 for the entire year with no laptop. And we will walk the price of that membership up from here on out. Again, we have no laptops this evening. That saves us money and therefore saves you money. Because usually when you join True Trading Group, we have a laptop that is included with your membership. We don't have anymore. We weren't able to get any more. So that's why we're able to give you guys the price of $900, but it's no laptop. We will allow this for the next 20 people that join True Trading Group from here on out and sign up for this deal and for this price before the price starts to move. We're starting it off here at $900 with no laptop. Open your web browser right now. Go to ttgoffer.com. Enter the coupon code TTG121. The price will say $22.12. You've got to manually enter the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. The price drops down to $900. Okay. This includes all of our courses and all of our tools. We are like the Netflix of trading communities, folks. We are 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,000 reviews. You pay that one price, you get access to all the courses and all the tools for the entire year with no upsells on the courses or the tools ever. It's the entire 22 course curriculum, which is a simplified version of what I learned when I worked at the fund in New York. Joe, maybe you can post up the link in chat so people can see actually the list of all of the courses and all the topics of what they are going to learn. But that's a simplified version of the educational training program that I went through when I worked at the fund. You got Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed and Squawk Box. You get insider trades and congressional trades, so you can see what Congress members are buying what stocks and what Congress members' family members are buying what stocks. You get Quote Media's full book level 2. You get TradingView's premium charting software. You get ET&A's simulator, lets you trade stocks and options with fake money, but with real-time data so you can practice implementing what you're learning in the courses. The Trade Ideas Scanner, industry standard. That thing scans on our platform. Guys, all day. You guys can use that and make sure you always focus on the best opportunities. Our own proprietary scanner lets you guys create your own custom scans. You got analyst ratings, dark pool data, unusual options activity, a social sentiment scanner, a trading journal. All of these things are included with your membership when you go to ttgoffer.com and enter the code TTG121. You have to manually type in that code, click apply code. The price will then drop all the way down to just $900. You guys check out and you are good to go. The next 20 people that go to ttgoffer.com and use that code will also get a one-on-one mentor session with one of the mods, including myself, to get you guys started on the right path, answer your questions, see what your weaknesses are, and what adjustments can we make to improve on your P&L, period. And I stand behind this platform. I told you that we talk a big game here on these live streams, but I back it up. And in this case, we back it up with our own money. We are so confident in the platform that we have created that we are willing to offer a double your money back guarantee to anyone that joins here this evening. It's quite simple. Join TTG, go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend one study group. If you do those three things and you are still unable to make back the $900 membership fee at least once during your membership, we'll give you back $1,800. I'm going to double your money back. I'm dead serious. I can do that because we've only had to give a refund to 2.83% of our members, and 78% of our members renew their membership. I said before, we're 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,000 reviews. You saw how many people typed the $ when I said, are you making money? Yes or no? These are real people with the exact same excuses that you had. Small account, full-time job, no experience, lost money before. Now they're making money, becoming better traders. If they can do it, so can you. Go to ttgoffer.com, enter the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. The price drops all the way down to $900. Check out, and you, my friends, are good to go. Don't let this time around be the nail in the coffin for you. Let this be your shot at redemption. Let this be your shot at revenge. Let this be your shot of accomplishing your goals. Let this be your shot of progressing and developing into the trader that you've always dreamed of. If you have any questions about myself, the membership, the platform, send us a text message to 786-505-4049. The phone number is right down there at the bottom of your screen. Again, it's 786-505-4049. Also, if you are currently a trial member, you used to be a trial member, or you used to be an annual member and you want this deal, we have to whitelist your email address. So you have to send a text message to that phone number at the bottom of your screen, and we will help you guys out. 786-505-4049. Take advantage of this now. And the priceless membership then is going to begin to be walked up every day until we get back to that $2,000 price point. And that is how we make sure that the people that are invested in something the most are the ones that take it seriously. And those are the type of people that we want into your trading group. So again, go to ttgoffer.com, enter the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. The price drops down to $900. You guys check out and you are good to go. Any questions? Text us 786-505-4049. Okay, folks. So let's roll this on over now to the educational part of our live stream. I'm gonna take a quick sip of water. We have a lot to talk about. SI, monster trade today. Bitcoin exploded today. Silvergate exploded today. Stock's up 28%. Okay, stock is up 28% today. Okay, Coinbase also up 20% today. Bitcoin up over $1,000 today. Okay, this was trade of the day for me. Another triple-digit gain for us inside True Trading Group. My TTG family members, congratulations on this. If you guys made money on SI with me today, I want you to sound off in chat right now. Tell me how you did. If you guys banked on this SI trade with me, let me hear it. I want to know how you did. You know I love when the whole team hits. This was an absolute monster. I bought the stock at $17.60. But whenever I trade a mid cap, a large cap, I'll always alert members, for those that don't have the capital to trade shares. I'll alert people. I will always alert people to an option contract that they could trade and follow me if they can't buy the shares. We had to welcome Mike. Mike's the newest member of the group. Mike, welcome, bud. 19 of those spots now remain. 19. Everybody welcome Mike. Guys, again, go to ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code, click apply code. The price drops down to $900. You get a one-on-one mentor session, and you get a double your money back guarantee. Again, if you can't make the $900 back at least once during your membership, I'll give you $1,800 in return. That's the deal. Way to go. Yes, Woody. My man. Woody made $1,600 today on SI. That is what I'm talking about. Hell yes. Guys, tonight at midnight, price of this membership is going to start to go up. And every single day thereafter, the price will continue to go higher. It's $900 today. It'll be more money tomorrow, more money the day after that, et cetera, until we get back to 2K. So you guys can take advantage of it right now at the $900 price point, the cheapest that you guys will ever get it. If you join the trial tonight, the cheapest you're gonna pay to join is $1,420. That's if you join the trial tonight. That's why I'm offering it to anyone that's already a trial, or if you used to be a trial and you guys want to come back and you guys want to take, or if you used to be an annual member and you guys want to come back, send us a text message so we can get you this $900 price point. Otherwise, you're paying $1,400 if you're a trial member. So you have to send us a text message to the phone number at the bottom of your screen, and we'll get you guys hooked up and taken care of. They have access to all of the courses, simplified version of what I learned that I worked at the fund, access to all of the tools, all for just $900. If you try to sign up, if you used to be a member, it won't let you sign up. So if you used to be a member a year ago, 2 years ago, and you want to come back, you have to text us 786-505-4049. If you used to be a trial and you try to sign up, it will not let you. We have to whitelist your email. You have to text us. If you've never been a trial, you've never been a member, then you go right to ttgoffer.com. You enter TTG121, you click apply code. The price will drop down to $900. It'll flash green, check out, and then folks, you're good to go. You got the one-on-one mentor session and the double your money back guarantee. All right? Text us if you have any questions. So, SI, right off the pre-market game plan and watch list. Every day inside True Trading Group, one of your main advantages that you have over a hell of a lot of other traders that are out there is that every single day before the market even opens, the moderators and I, it's not just me, there's 9 professional traders in True Trading Group that are walking you through the trading day. We're there with you from pre-market all the way through to the market close. We're not gone after an hour or two. We're there with you. We're sharing our screen. We're talking on the mic. We're sending out all of our trade alerts. But what we do before the market even opens, we tell you exactly what stocks we're looking at and what the game plan is and where we're going to buy them and where we're going to sell them. So today, in the pre-market session, before the market's ever opened, I go over my watch list. On that watch list was, you bet, Silvergate, ticker symbol SI. I got a quick little video clip. It's about a minute long of me talking about SI, my reasoning and thought process behind why I thought this stock was going to move higher today during this pre-market analysis. So all of our members knew this was one of the top stocks that I was focusing on to start the day. Let's go ahead and play that clip. Maybe I go long Silvergate, Citadel taking a stake in Silvergate. I feel like that's, pretty ironic. A stock that has like that real heavy short position, and then Citadel is usually on the opposite side of like those short squeeze type of plays. Like everything that happened with AMC and GameStop, and everybody says that Citadel shorts all of these things and everything else. But it's interesting. So now to see maybe there's something there for Silvergate. It's a very, very, very highly shorted stock. Very, very highly shorted stock on Silvergate. And I'm looking at 1750. 1750 is a decent level of support for Silvergate. We'll see if there's any upside there. So you guys can see that I'm talking about Silvergate there, 1750. All right, you just heard me say 1750, we're looking long. Okay. So now before the market even opens, all of my members in TTG know that 1750 is where I want to be a buyer of Silvergate. Well, let's zoom in to the market open. So here's where the market's opened up. There's the market open. There's your opening bell candle. These are 3-minute candles. And then right off the opening bell, we pull back right into where? Where's 1750? Well, right there, folks. There it is. There is 1750. And we just step right in, and I actually become a buyer after I see these tails. See these tails that start to form here on the 3-minute chart? So if I think there's support around 1750, then all of a sudden I get these tails. Look at those tails. that is signaling to me that there is some aggressive buying down here around this area. So if I'm already looking for 1750 for a potential area of support to be a buyer, and I see these tails, then I want to be long on Silvergate. And there was actually a big seller at 1760. 1760 had a big offer, and I just took the guy out. I just took the guy out as I'm taking this thing. I'm in this thing, 1760. I just market ordered right in. We got to welcome James. James, welcome to the family. There's now just 18 of those spots now remaining. When you guys want that $900 price point, you guys go to ttgoffer.com. You enter the code TTG121. Click apply code. The price drops down to $900. That gets all the courses and all of the tools, the one-on-one mentor session, and the double your money back guarantee. You have any questions? Used to be a trial, currently are a trial, used to be a member, you must text us. 786-505-4049. Guys, that $900 price point, I know it might sound sexy to you now. It's only good till midnight, then the price goes up. So jump on this now. Go to ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. So there were your tails, folks. I market ordered myself in at 1760. Here is my entry point, 1760, the low of the day. Low of the day on this is 1719. And again, it's guys just seeing these tail. And I said, okay, well, if I think there's support at 1760, we're in long at 1760. I told members of True Trading Group, if you are a member of TTG, I told guys, look for the February 24th expiration, $18 strike call option for members that wanted to follow me on this trade. We got to welcome Clint, 17 spots left now with Clint joining us. Clint, welcome to the family, brother. Everybody welcome Clint. Everybody welcome Clint. Welcome. All right. So again, ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. So I'm long at 1760. Members are in the $18 strike, February 24th expiration call option. And this thing was history. I think, what was it, guys? $1.80, I think, was the entry on the option for a lot of our members. If you guys want to comment, for those of you that bought the option contract, what price you guys got into the option. I believe a lot of people got in around $1.80, maybe $1.90, somewhere in that range for the call option on Silvergate. And the rest is history. This thing just absolutely freaking exploded. Absolutely exploded. I mean, this thing just took off like a bat out of hell, and just unbelievable action today, guys. $1.83 for Bruce. Really nice job, my man. $1.83 for Bruce. But here we go back here to Silvergate, and this is kind of a lesson within a lesson. This is a TTG triangle. This is one of my top favorite patterns that I teach all of our members. It's the highest probability pattern that I have found in my 17-year career of doing this, and provides you with amazing and excellent risk reward. Now, I'm already long from 1760, but even if you were not long at 1760, right here is a beautiful entry point for anyone that's looking for entries on the stock, as you just broke through your initial morning high with the heaviest volume of the entire day or the entire morning. You had this massive surge in volume. When you broke through that high, the heavier the volume, when you break through a high of the day, the greater the chance that previous high becomes support. You had your trade line, your view up indicators all line up directly underneath you to give you that beautiful level of support. You even had, at that time, your Fibonacci levels at that time lining up at that exact same price point. So what you'll see on my screen right now, and guys, don't worry if what I'm going through with you right now sounds like it's just over your head. Don't worry about it. I promise you, all of these things I'm saying to you right now on the chart will be second nature for you once you join the TTG platform, and you're going through the courses and you're with us in chat. You get to know this stuff like the back of your hand. Okay. Michael N, welcome to the trial, bud. But Michael, I really want to make sure you understand, as a trial member, after you go through your trial, you're looking at the cheapest price of $1,420 for you to join the platform. Just want to make sure, full disclosure, you understand that. You can join right now for $900. But if you decide, hey, I want to do the trial first, okay, no problem. But it's going to be $1,420 if you decide to join after your trial. I know you just asked, why is it $1,420? This is why. So I see Michael N, you joined the trial. You said, why does it say $1,420? That's because If you go through the trial, it's $1,420. I'm giving you a special coupon code right now on this live stream for $900. But you've got to go to ttgoffer.com. You got to enter the code TTG121. Michael, if you want the $900, Mike, just send us a text message and we'll hook you up. We'll get it taken care of for you. That's 786-505-4049. Phone number's right down there at the bottom of your screen. All right. So just text us and we'll get you taken care of. All right. Back to the charts, guys, on Silvergate. So this is a beautiful chart setup. You have initial morning high. You broke through the initial morning high with the heaviest volume of the day. That increases the chances that high now becomes support. You have your 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level lines up there. And then here comes your trade line and VWAP indicators. And you can see you get a trade line VWAP cross. And the rest is history. And that trade line VWAP cross pushes us up through the high. And then now look at this blue line. That's your trade line support. That's your trade line support. And the stock just continues to push all the way up until you get to my final take profit was right there. $20.81 was my final take profit. Okay. Long at 1760. Let me go back and delete all this so we can clean the chart up just a bit. All right. Here is the entry at 1760. And here is the final take profit at $20.81. I took profits all along the way throughout this move, right? So here are my take profits. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys see all these. These are my take profits from today. William C. I see you're trying to sign up. William C. You're having trouble trying to sign up. Send us a text message, William. We'll help you out. I see you're having a hard time. William C. Send a text message, bud, to 786-505-4049. Again, send us a text message to 786-505-4049. William C. Send us a text message. You're having a hard time signing up. Okay. So there it is, folks. There is Silvergate. And we were all over this thing today, just an absolute monster. And those options went all the way to they went all the way to $5 today. But at the time that I got out, they were $4. So from $1.80 up to $4, over a 100% gain for members on the call option. I was in the stock itself from 1760, and then take profit, and then final profit off there, $20.81. Absolute beast. Congratulations again, all my teaching members that were able to capitalize on Silvergate. Absolutely amazing. All right. Absolutely amazing. Went a little bit higher too. We went a little bit higher. We're 22.30 now. So you can see, I left a little bit of money on the table. So here's my final exit, and there's the stocks currently trading. So even those that held on even longer, I just ran out of shares. I mean, this thing just kept going and going and going. And this was like a 6-to-1 risk reward. I was only risking like 50 cents. We ended up catching like $3. So more than $3. So just an unbelievable move. Unbelievable move. So congratulations again, guys. Yo, my boy, 7 with AJ. How are you, my man? How are you? Yeah, I just actually we just spent some time with seven with AJ. My boy Woody. I love it. Both of you guys hit this trade with me today. I love it. Yeah, we just I had the pleasure of meeting 2 of our members just the other week. 7 with the J and Woody, and both hit SI today. Great job, guys. Awesome job. Yeah, I'm looking forward to 787 with a J goes, I'll see you in a month. Hell yeah, man. The in-person meetup in Miami. Guys, if you're a member of True Trading Group and you guys still don't have your ticket yet for the in-person meetup, you got to reach out to us because Friday is the last day for tickets. We only got a couple of spots left. I think we're probably going to be selling out of them here, but Friday's the last day. And then we're locked. That's it. We're shutting it down. We're closing it off. So if you guys want a ticket to the in-person meetup, March 9th, 10th, 11th, we're going to be trading together in person. We're going to be doing a lot of in-person training. We rented out an entire restaurant in Miami with dinner and drinks and everything's included, DJ, entertainment, a show. It's going to be sick. It's going to be absolutely sick. We have a exotic car driving experience. We got a golf outing. It's going to be so much fun. You guys reach out to us tomorrow. Make sure you guys get your ticket before it is completely locked up. All right, guys. So there is Silvergate. Congrats. Let's talk about the overall markets now. All right, I didn't trade the SPY today, but SPY was choppy today, but strong. So there's a difference. There's like momentum. There's like directional moves, and then there's choppy moves. I would say that this was a choppy, strong day, or a strong, choppy day, which is where the markets are kind of like up and down and up and down and up and down, but do move higher. And we did clearly move higher. We opened all the way down at 410.50, went all the way to 414. So a nice slow burn or slow churn, really, I should say, to the upside, as the market still remains very strong, very strong after this opening rally to start 2023. And it really all comes down to the data. The data just doesn't lie. It's unbelievable how strong this market has been and how strong this data has been. Retail sales numbers came in scorching hot. Now, people were surprised at the higher than expected inflation number yesterday. Cool. Now you know. Now you know why. Because retail sales in January were out of this world. Month over month retail sales were 3%. The expectation was 1.8. In December, it was negative 1.1. What? That is an over 4% turnaround from negative 1.1 to positive 3. I don't know for people. I don't know how much you guys know about this type of data. That is a huge swing for that data. Massive. Core retail sales were 2.3%. The expectation was 0.8. These are huge beats. They're not even close. Analyst consensus was nowhere near the mark. That's how strong these retail sales were. William, my man, I guess you did send a text message. Perfect. William, welcome to the family. Now there's 16 spots left. Guys, I can't stress this enough. It's $900 right now with a one-on-one mentor session and a double your money back guarantee. After midnight tonight, the price is going to start to move up, and it will continue to move up every single day. Go to ttgoffer.com, enter the code TTG121. If you are a trial member currently, you used to be a trial member, or you used to be an annual member, you must text us at 786-505-4049. So what do these retail sales numbers mean? It means that the consumer is still as strong could possibly be. And that's why the market's holding up. The market is holding up because the market is saying, yes, inflation was higher than expected, but it's still on a downward trajectory. And the consumer is still very strong. So the market is taking this as strong consumer equals soft landing. Strong consumer does not equal recession. Earnings so far have been good. You have had much better than expected earnings from a lot of different companies. I mean, you just got Roku, you got Zillow, you got Cisco, you got a bunch of companies that have come out. I'm sure you have some companies that have missed, but the vast majority of companies that have come out with their earnings have been better than people initially feared. A lot of people expected to see in the month of February, they expected to see the economic data begin to deteriorate. They were beginning to see the they expected, I should say, the economic data to start to show cracks, right? That's what your people were expecting in February, but you haven't seen it yet. The jobs market still remains strong. Consumers are still spending, but inflation is on a downward trajectory. As long as inflation continues on a downward path and the consumer remains strong, the market is going to take that as good news, soft landing, no recession, and the market will stabilize. What could change that would be if you began to start to see week over week much higher than expected initial jobless claims numbers. So if you begin to see much higher than expected initial jobless claims over the next 3 weeks, that can start to change the sentiment because people will say, okay, well, now it looks like maybe the economic data is beginning to show cracks and the markets will maybe start to pull back a little bit. The other real catalyst, this is the real one, is the Fed meeting in March. The Fed meeting in March is going to be the Fed's chance to, based on how strong the consumer has been and based on how sticky the previous inflation report was, it's going to be their chance to do more if they want to. Will the price actually go up tonight? Yes, Rebecca Morelli, I promise you the price will be higher tomorrow and then more the day after and so on. Yes. I promise you the price will be higher tomorrow and the day after that and the day after that. Yes. Go to ttgoffer.com, TTG121. Click apply code. Okay. So if the Fed, and this is why you have to be concerned about this, because when Jerome Powell gave his speech, his interview at the Economic Council in Washington, D.C., Jerome Powell specifically said that if we continue to get a strong labor market data and we get higher than expected inflation, we will move rates higher than where we are currently anticipating right now. Since he said that, you have gotten a higher than expected CPI report and very strong labor data and very strong jobs data. You're going to get one more CPI number in March, which will be February CPI, before the Fed meeting in March. So the Fed's going to have not just this previous report you got yesterday, but also you're going to have another report before they get to have their meeting in March and tell you that they're going to raise rates another 25 basis points. Okay. I can get a one-on-one with you. How does this help me? Yes. How does it help you? I mean, Rebecca, we're going to go over your trading. Like, what are your weaknesses? Like, what are you struggling with? What questions do you have? We're going to answer your questions. We're going to figure out what adjustments can we make in your trading, whether it's something technical, something psychological. How can we improve on your P&L? And it's not just myself. You can get a one-on-one with any one of our professional trading moderators. I actually suggest that when you do join TTG, spend a little bit of time to familiarize yourself with the moderators before you choose who you would like to do your one-on-one with. But yes, absolutely, Rebecca. So when you join, you get a one-on-one mentor session with one of our mods to really talk about your trading specifically. What are you doing wrong? What adjustments can we make? What do we think you need to do differently in order to have better success? And then you have the double your money back guarantee. Don't forget that. It's quite simple. So Rebecca and anybody else that's wondering how the double your money back guarantee works is this. You join TTG tonight. You spend $900. You get access to all of our courses, all of our tools. Go through the courses, pass the quizzes that are at the end of the courses, attend one study group. We do study groups every Thursday. Attend one. If you do those three things, and throughout the course of your membership, you are unable to make $900 back at least once, I will give you back $1,800. That's the deal. We got to welcome Wade. Wade, welcome. Welcome, Wade. 15 of these spots are now remaining. 15 spots now remain. Everybody welcome Wade. Wade, it's my pleasure to have you part of the group. Again, folks, ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code, click apply code. Check out. You guys are good to go. Okay. Don't forget, guys, if you have any questions, just text us. 786-505-4049. Phone numbers right at the bottom of your screen. Just text us, guys. We're fully open, transparent. Any questions you have, don't be shy. Text us. All right. So, the price action that I've seen so far on the SPY is bullish. The data that we've gotten, though, I think is bearish. So, I've been coming into the markets these last couple of days very, very, very neutral. David R., welcome to the trial, David R. I see you just joined the trial, but David R., please make sure that you understand, and this is just full transparency. If you just joined the trial, if you want to become an annual member, it will cost you $1,420. That's $1,420. So, David, welcome to the trial, but I just want to make sure you understand that. If you want the $900 price point, David, you've got to send us a text message right now to 786-505-4049. Just want to make sure you know that. That's all. All right? Okay. So, I've been coming into the market these last 2 days very, very neutral. What I mean by that is I have been usually, we come into the day and I'm like, okay, guys, I think it's going to be, a choppy day. I think it's going to be a green day. I think it's going to be a red day in the markets. David, welcome to the family. Everybody welcome David. David, welcome, bud. 14 spots left. How can I join from the UK? Michael, we have tons of members in the UK, bro. We have members in over 100 different countries in True Trading Group. We have members in the UK. We have members in Canada, Mexico, Russia, India, Australia, New Zealand, Philippines, Japan, Singapore, the Netherlands, Italy, Spain. We have members in Egypt. We have members all over the world. Michael,
we have members in Nigeria.
We do have members in Nigeria. We have 3, I think. I think we have 3 members in Nigeria. We have members all over the world. So, Michael, you just go to ttgoffer.com. That's it. You enter your coupon code, you click apply code, and you just go and you check out with your credit card. There's also PayPal is an option on there. You guys go and check out. We have tons of members from the UK. Tons. It's probably US, Canada, UK. If I had to probably guess the number of our members in country by population, I would say probably US, Canada, that's it. And then probably UK is probably 3rd. All right. So, like I was saying about the SPY, I've been coming in pretty neutral here the last 2 days, and I'm remaining neutral. I'm neutral. I'm cautiously bullish in the very near term. In the longer term, I'm bearish. But for the next couple of weeks, I'm cautiously bullish. So, I'm coming into the trading days a little bit more neutral. I'm coming in looking for shorts and longs at the same time. I'm not overly exposing myself for a long or for a short, meaning I'm not in 3 or 4 long positions at the same time. I might be in 1 or 2 longs and 1 short, right? I'm more neutral based coming into these trading days because the chart tells me bullish, but the data that's coming out tells me, the way that I'm viewing it, bearish, because I think the Fed is going to be more aggressive, and they're going to probably, and I think, come March, I think the Fed moves their target Fed funds rate from 5.1 to 5.35, maybe even 5.6. And I think if the Fed does that, I think the markets will react negatively. So that's it, folks. Hey, I'm generally a seller of options premium. Nice, Arthur. We have some moderators that do that. I don't have the stomach for scalping, bouncing in and out of options. Will your service work for me? Thanks, Arthur. 100%, absolutely, brother. We are not scalpers in True Trading Group. We're not the traders that are in and out within 60 seconds or 2 minutes. We are traditional day traders. Our day trades last several hours long, or we are also swing traders. Our swing trades could last several days to several weeks. We also have moderators that do also sell options for premium. We have moderators that will do credit spreads and debit spreads, and they'll do covered calls and all these other different types of advanced option strategies where they can take in and sell premium and basically trade options for income, which is what you are doing. So absolutely 100% our platform our service will benefit you, but don't take my word for it, Arthur. I think it's good for members to tell you. Members of True Trading Group, what do you guys think? Will our service work for Arthur? Members of True Trading Group, you answered that question for me. You say yes or no. Members of TTG, will our service work for Arthur? Knowing that he's, now that you see his comment, you guys can just say yes or no inside of chat. Arthur, I think it's always best, brother, for you to just listen to other members, right? Yep, there you go. Yes, Arthur, I also sell premium more than buying. So there you guys go. There's another member. Arthur, I day trade options but sell cash. Yes, Arthur, that's what I do too. So here you guys can see for yourself, Arthur. There's a lot of other people that do absolutely. A lot of other people that do exactly what you do, my man. So again, it's important you guys know that I'm not the only moderator in True Trading Group. There are 9 professional traders that have different styles and different strategies, right? Nice. Way to go. My boy, Tony, way to go, man. $2,700 today on Tesla. Selling Tesla puts. There you go. Really great job. Really great job. I made $3,000 selling Tesla puts. I was skeptical, but TTG's no joke. We really are no joke. I mean, you're not alone, Chris. There's a lot of people that watch. I'll do this. Guys, do me a favor. Now, there's a lot of people that were skeptical at first. I talk a big game on these live streams. I know, but we back it up. We back it up. Members of True Trading Group, type the number 1 if you were skeptical at first, and now your only regret is you didn't join sooner. Type the number 1 if you were skeptical at first, and now your only regret is you did not join sooner. Type the number 1 in chat. Chris, you're not alone being skeptical at first. I don't blame you for being skeptical at first. All these people were skeptical at first. You got to take the leap, guys. That's why I'm saying listen to your peers. Don't even listen to me. That's why I asked the question for members. I love Stephanie. Stephanie's like, I was hella skeptical. I was hella skeptical. And now they only regret is they didn't join sooner. David, my pleasure, man. David says, thanks for the shout out, Mike. It's my pleasure. So many frauds out there, but not TTG. Damn right, man. Damn right. I was not skeptical, but I am sorry I didn't join sooner. No worries. Connie, I'm happy you're here now. Keith said I made the biggest mistake joining another group, but I stopped, lost that, and made the best decision ever by joining TTG. Yeah, Keith, man, I love it. The money back guaranteed should be a no-brainer. Yeah. That's why we offer it. There's no other group out there. There's no other group out there that offers it. There's no other group out there that offers it. We've only had to give a refund to 2.83% since the inception of this company. I share that with you to show you that A, it's real, but also to show you how infrequently people request it. All right, guys. So like I said, go to ttgoffer.com, enter the code TTG121, click apply code, price drops down to $900. You get a free one-on-one mentor session. You get a double your money back guarantee. Just go to ttgoffer.com now. If you're a previous trial or previous member, you have to send us a text message, 786-505-4049. All right. There you guys have it. How many people are on the live stream right now that are still not members in TTG? Just type the letters TTG if you're not a member of True Trading Group. Just type TTG if you're not a member. I just want to see who's still with us on the live that's still not part of the group. Danny, what's up, my man? Thank you, Connie. Connie goes, I am very happy being a member. And I'm busy right now. I'm so busy right now, able to squeeze in a trade here and there. I love it. We got Revolution. Jonathan, what's up? Anthony Joseph. ES. All right, so we still got a couple of people here with us that are still not members of True Trading. Guys, what I'll do now, understand the price is going to go up at midnight tonight. It's $900 right now for the whole year. You get all of our courses. There's no upsell for courses. You get all of them. Okay. Seems sketch to me, to be honest. Yeah, Danny, brother. I'm not sure how else to change your mind. Come back tomorrow and then come back the next day and just come on these live streams is my only advice that I can give you. Eventually you will see. I don't just come on these live streams and tell you what happened today or what happened yesterday. I come on these live streams. I give you my entire game plan and outlook going forward. I go over lessons for you so you guys can understand. I answer questions for a lot of people. We have, members come on and give their stories. You have other moderators come on and talk about their trading as well and their views. Double money back guarantee. Yeah, no, Danny, guys, TTG members, is the double your money back guarantee true or false? TTG members, is the double your money back guarantee true or false? Danny, I'll let members answer it, man. Honestly, it's better you hear it from them than you do me. I don't have a problem offering double your money back. I just look at the data.
Also, in fairness, most members are going to say that it's true because they've never had to claim it.
That's true.
And they take our word for it, Danny, to be fair. If you obviously have no idea who I am, I'm the co-founder of True Trading Group. My name's Adam. I handle all the business end of True Trading Group. We gave 2 of those refunds today. Since inception of the company, since 2016, we have given 2.83 or 2.84 now % of those refunds. Most people will ask for an additional year instead of the refund, or some way to stay with us. But our refund rate since 2016 is 2.8, right around 2.83%. And I know this because we sent 2 of those refunds out today. So it is very real. And the way that we are able to do this again, or to do this, is because that refund rate is so low. Right. If that, so it gives us flexibility to kind of put our money where our mouth is. It's a business. If the refund rate was 7.83%, we probably wouldn't offer a double your money back guarantee. Exactly. We would offer like, oh, you can get a refund at the end of the year. You know what I mean? Or, if it was 12.83%, we'd be like, oh, get half your money back. Because it is so low, it allows us the flexibility to do that.
Right.
And it's great as part of a sales pitch because it's reassuring for people, especially those that have been screwed over before. But it is 100% legit. I know because myself and the person that we work with can you give Brian Nunez a shout out? For what reason? I guess I just did. Did he sign up or something? I promised him one for renewing today. Brian Nunez.
Shout out to my boy Brian.
Anyways, so I agree with you. It sounds sketchy, whatever. It's cool. But it's like you're damned if you do and damned if you don't, because if we don't offer some sort of like money back guarantee, then like, oh, you guys are ineffective. You're sketchy because you don't offer a way to get your money back. Right. And if we offer too good of a money back guarantee, it's, oh, that sounds sketchy as all hell. How are you going to do that? It's a lose-lose. But I assure you it's real. I'll tell you this also. Everyone that signs up is using a credit card. Everyone can dispute their transaction. All you have to do is show your credit card company this video.
Oh, yeah, literally.
There is not a credit card company in the world that would that would not win that dispute for you.
Right. Good point.
Yeah. So
Good
I
point.
mean, yeah, it's not like I'm making you some offer on the back end of like Instagram and private messaging. I'm
right.
showing
I'm not
my
telling you to
face.
send me Bitcoin for your
Right, dude. I'm showing, we're using real credit cards. We're showing our faces. We're putting it out there. It's literally in our terms and conditions on our website. It's 100% legit. So, but I understand. Why you would feel that way. You
Absolutely.
should feel that way.
Absolutely.
We got to welcome Goran, Goran.
Goran, welcome. How many spots are we down to now, Adam?
13.
13. 13 spots now left,
Can
guys.
somebody buy one more before we sign off? I really don't want to end it on 13.
13 is actually my lucky number.
It's not mine. Can somebody please fix that?
13 spots are now left. 13 spots are now left, guys. 13 spots. Don't leave us on 13. Adam has severe anxiety about the number 13. He's not going to sleep at night now. He's going to think that, everything is cursed. My baseball number was 13. That's why. Well, actually,
that makes sense. You've been my curse since. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, 13 was originally my father's number in baseball, so then therefore became my number.
If it was Guy's number, I wouldn't feel like it was a curse.
Yeah, but then when I got to college, my coach had 13. I was like, you bastard. So my coach had 13. So I took 23. So 23 was my number in college. I know you guys really care about that story, so guys, go to ttgoffer.com, enter the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. The price drops to 900. It will be higher tomorrow. The price is going up tomorrow. Okay? Price is going up tomorrow. So at midnight tonight, price is going up. 13 spots left. If you have any questions, text us 786-505-4049. Let me show you what's actually included in the platform, right? Because you get everything. You get the courses and the tools. There are no upsells for courses or tools when you join the annual membership. Sure, we have other things that you could pay extra for if you want, like extra mentorship and private tutelage and after hours help and all this. We have stuff like that, or like 12-hour long workshops and webinars. We have the in-person meetup. Like, yeah, these things are more money.
My OnlyFans page at
Right.
Chubby Jewish Feet.
But the courses and tools are always included. Any laptops left? No kitten caboodles. We have no laptops. I'm sorry. We tried. We have no laptops. We've not had them for the last couple of days. So that's why we're able to offer you guys that price of the 900, because there is no laptop for you tonight. So you guys can take advantage. It is your lucky night, because now you can get the membership for a ridiculously cheap $900 price point, which includes all the courses and all the tools for the entire year. Right? Let me show you what this stuff looks like, because when you join, of course, you get the chat room. Right? The chat room is where the mods and I share our screen. We're live on the mic. We're calling out trades. We're answering questions. We're there with you from pre-market all the way through to the market closes. You also get the mobile app. Okay, the mobile app is available on iPhone and Android, so you guys can actually see the screen share, listen to the audio, and get real-time push notifications sent directly to your phone when the mods enter and exit trades, even if you're not in front of your computer. I've been a member for a month and made 40% of my membership already, trading under a $2,000 account. Thomas Alberson, that is amazing, brother. That's absolutely fantastic, trading with just a $2,000 account. Congratulations, man. In just 1 month has already made back 40% of their membership. So you've already made, so 40, so 400. So wow. Yeah, so you've already made like 25% gain on your entire account value. That's incredible, man. In 1 month. You gained 25% of your entire account in 1 month. That's fantastic, Thomas. Great job, man. Keep it up, brother. Keep it up. So yeah, guys, so that's the chat room. Like I said, that's how, even if you're not in front of your computer, that's how all of our members follow along with our trades. Because again, we're not scalpers. We're not in and out within 30 seconds or in and out within 2 minutes. Our day trades last hours. Our swing trades, days. Like, you get the alert on your phone, cool. Whether you open up right now or you open it up in 10 minutes and you check it out, okay, I'm in. You know, that's how members follow along with what it is that we're doing. You got 2 study sessions. You get 2 private study groups. That way you can work with the mods and speed up your learning curve. You get Benzinga Pro's news feed, live up to the second news alerts right inside chat. You got congressional trade data, so you can see data. You can see what stocks Congress members are buying and selling and what stocks their family members are buying and selling. You know how expensive this data is? You guys have it included for the $900. Insider trades, you can see what insiders are buying and selling. You guys get access to all of this stuff for $900. You get TradingView's premium charting software, right? You get all of Nancy Pelosi's trades, guys. Okay? TradingView's charting system, their premium charting system. This is like that's like $600 a year. Okay, Benzinga, the stuff I just showed you from Benzinga, that's like $1,400 a year. All of it's included when you join True Trading Group for $900. Douglas, I see you're trying to sign up. Douglas, I see you're trying to sign up. Text us, Doug. 786-505-4049. Douglas, the number at the bottom of the screen, bro. Just text that number. I see you're trying to sign up right now, but it's not working. So send us a text message and we'll hook you up. You also get the Trade Ideas scanner. That's the industry standard scanner. That's hundreds of dollars. That's on your platform. Doug, you got to enter the coupon code. TTG121. Then click apply code, Doug. You get a simulator, let you trade stocks and options with fake money, but with real-time data. This way you can practice implementing what you're learning in the courses. Use the sim first, guys. Make money with fake money first before you risk your hard-earned cash. You get our own proprietary scanner that lets you create custom scans. You get dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow. This data is so expensive, guys. You get it included on your platform for $900. The value of the TTG platform is absolutely insane. Nobody can match the value that we have on this system. Nobody. Not a single group or program out there can give you guys what we offer for $900. It's just not possible. Go out there and try to look for it. You can't find it. Travis, we have to whitelist your email. Travis, we have to whitelist your email. Text us, Travis, 786-505-4049, 786-505-4049. Travis, text us. Aside from that dark pool data, you also get a trading journal that tracks your trading and breaks it down to the statistics. You can see what you're doing wrong. You get a social sentiment scanner that tells you what ticker symbols are being mentioned most on social media so you can stay ahead of the crowd. You get analyst ratings on any stock, so you know exactly how many analysts have a buy, sell, or hold rating. Every day, the mods give you a watch list, the stocks we're looking at with a game plan of how we plan on trading them. Just giving you a watch list of stocks, saying, oh, what stocks are you watching today? Tesla, NVIDIA, and Roblox. That doesn't mean anything. No, I give you the game plan. We're buyers of Tesla at this price. We're sellers at this price. We're buyers of NVIDIA at this price. We're sellers at this price. We're shorting Enphase at this price. We're taking profits at this price. Like, we give you the entire game plan of what it is that we're doing so that you know exactly what our focus is before the market even opens, so you know where to focus your attention. Not to mention you get all the courses. The courses are a simplified version of the stuff that I learned when I worked at the fund in New York and I went through that 3-month educational training program. You get all the courses. There's no upsell for courses. You don't join for $900, then there's these special courses that are another $1,000. We don't play games like that. You join our platform, we give you all the tools and resources you need. You get our beginner courses, our advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, futures, you name it, we've got it. It's all included. Travis, welcome. 12 spots left. Everybody welcome Travis. 12 spots now remain. Everybody welcome Travis, newest member of the TTG family. Guys, remember, ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. On top of the courses, you have a video library. Video Library has 400 hours of workshops and webinars that we've conducted with members live covering different topics. Doug, welcome to the trial. But guys, you have to understand, Doug, welcome to the trial, but you have to understand, but the cheapest price that you can join is $1,420 if you go through the trial. That $900 offer is just for people that join before midnight tonight. So if you want, Doug, text us 786-505-4049. We'll get you taken care of. The number is at the bottom of your screen. Now, guys, listen, I can't guarantee that you're going to be successful just because you join TTG. But what I can do is if you join, go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend a study group, and do not make back $900 at least once during your membership, I will give you back $1,800. That is what I can guarantee you. You just have to go to ttgoffer.com, enter the code TTG121, click apply code. Price goes up at midnight. Take advantage of it now. All right, that's it, folks. Thanks for joining me tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. As always, make sure you subscribe to the channel.
11. We're on an even number. I feel good.
Okay, sweet. All right. So, guys, subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, turn on your notifications. Don't ever miss out on these lives. We're dropping.
How do they know if they're part of the remaining 12 later?
Well, when you enter your coupon code, if the price drops down to 900, you know you're good.
All right. If not, you know that it's too late.
Yeah. If not, then you know the 900 price point is gone.
That's right. Tomorrow the price will be higher. The day after that, it will continue to move up, so on and so forth. I feel good, man. This is a good resolve that we have here.
Awesome.
So, all right.
Fantastic. Excellent. Guys, thanks for joining me tonight. Congratulations again on my TC fam that killed it on Silvergate today. I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow. Subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, turn on your notifications. Don't miss these. I'll see you guys later. Have a good